Today, I'm ranking the top 10 NASA-approved air purify plants using a combined score of air cleaning power and aesthetic appeal for modern homes. Number 10. Bamboo Palm. Great cleanser, traditional look. Air Purification, 4 stars. Aesthetics 2026, 3 stars. The Bamboo Palm is a strong air purifier. It works well against benzene and trichloroethylene. It is a low-maintenance evergreen plant. It grows well indoors, even in low-light conditions. That's why it's popular in offices and large homes. However, in modern 2026 interiors, it looks a bit traditional and bulky. Great for big living rooms, but not ideal for small apartments. Be careful with watering. Overwatering can severely damage this plant. Number 9. Aloe Vera. Minimalist plus medicinal benefits. Air Purification, 3 stars. Aesthetics, 4 stars. Aloe Vera is clean, sculptural, and minimalist. It fits perfectly in small spaces. It removes formaldehyde and benzene, but its air purify power is moderate. Still, it is stylish and very low maintenance. Perfect for desks, bedrooms, and kitchens. Aloe Vera releases oxygen at night, which can help improve bedroom air quality. It also releases moisture into the air, helping prevent dry skin and discomfort while sleeping. One warning: do not overwater. Aloe Vera is highly prone to root rot. Number 8. Chinese Evergreen. Colorful foliage favorite. Air Purification, 4 stars. Aesthetics, 4 stars. The Chinese Evergreen has moderate toxin removal power. But where it truly shines is beauty. Modern 2026 varieties come in pink, red, silver, and lime patterns. It instantly brightens any room. It is one of the best plants for dark corners, and an excellent oxygen-producing plant. Slightly sensitive to overwatering, but stunning when healthy. Number 7. Boston Fern. Lush but high maintenance. Air Purification, 4 stars. Aesthetics, 4 stars. The Boston Fern is a top performer. For removing formaldehyde and xylene, it prefers bright, indirect light. Too much shade makes it dull. Too much sun can burn the fronds. It also needs high humidity, regular misting, and consistently moist soil. Most homes are too dry for it. But bathrooms can be an ideal location. Beautiful plant, but not ideal for beginners or dry climates. Number 6. Spider Plant. Beginner-friendly purifier. Air Purification, 5 stars. Aesthetics, 4 stars. Spider plants remove formaldehyde extremely well. They are perfect for beginners. They look amazing in hanging baskets or shelves, with long leaves cascading down. Their appearance can improve mood and soften indoor spaces. They grow best in bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves. Not the trendiest plant of 2026, but still a solid all-round performer. Number 5. Areca Palm. Trendy tropical vibes. Air Purification, 4 stars. Aesthetics, 5 stars. Areca palms have surged in popularity. They filter xylene and toluene very effectively. They are also among the highest oxygen-producing plants. They add instant tropical luxury to living rooms. Bright, airy, and space-expanding, a perfectly balanced mid-tier choice. Number 4. Rubber Plant. Bold, glossy beauty. Air Purification, 5 stars. Aesthetics, 4 stars. Rubber plants are powerful air purifiers. Their large, glossy leaves absorb toxins very efficiently. Deep green and burgundy varieties look premium, modern, and elegant. They are slightly picky with watering, but their bold presence is unmatched. Number 3. Pothos Money Plant. Best Trailing Plant of 2026. Air-Purification, 4 stars. Aesthetics, 5 stars. Pothos remains a true superstar. It removes benzene and formaldehyde efficiently. It grows as beautiful trailing vines and needs very little care. Golden, Marble Queen, and Neon varieties grow fast in both soil and water. In many cultures, pothos is associated with good luck and prosperity. Number 2. Snake Plant. Oxygen at Night. Air Purification, 5 stars. Aesthetics, 4 stars. The snake plant is one of the best all-rounders. It removes multiple toxins and releases oxygen at night. This makes it perfect for bedrooms. It is extremely tough, almost impossible to kill. Its vertical, sculptural shape fits perfectly with modern 2026 design trends. You can even grow it in water-filled vases. Only one plant beats it. Number 1. Peace Lily, the 2026 champion. Air Purification, 5 stars. Aesthetics, 5 stars. The Peace Lily earns the number 1 spot. It is one of NASA's top performers. It removes benzene, ammonia, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. It produces oxygen during the day, but not at night. It thrives in low light, making it perfect for bedrooms and living rooms. It can also grow in water. My own peace lily has been thriving for years. Many believe it promotes calm, balance, and positive energy, and that is the final ranking. Simple care tips for all plants. Use well-draining pots. Water only when the soil is fully dry. Avoid overwatering. Overwatering is the number 1 killer. Fertilize lightly in spring. Wipe leaves once a month. For maximum photosynthesis. Which plant is your favorite? Comment below. Let me know below which of these plants do you have at home. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like button, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notification when I post new videos. Thanks for watching.